Just one moment, sir. We'll get started with your initial appearance. Okay, I just changed the judge. I had the judge wrong. Okay. Okay, good morning, sir. Can you state your name, please?
Oscar Guillermo Angulo Hecari.
Okay, Mr. Angulo Hikari, we have you here today on, let me pull up your file here. All right, so we've got you here today on a charge of wrong file here. Let me get that. Sorry. Possession of narcotic drugs for sale. This is a felony offense. Transport of narcotic drug for sale. This is a felony offense. You do have a right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You do have a right to assistance of counsel. There is counsel seated next to you to assist you. The court does note, just as from the onset, that there is an adult probation hold on you. So regardless of what the outcome is for today, you'll be remaining incarcerated until that probation hold is lifted. Nonetheless, the state is recommending that bond be set in the amount of $30,000 plus a release to pretrial services if bond is posted. Mr. Poston, any additional record?
Your Honor, state just needs to emphasize that we're looking at 9.54 pounds of M30s, upwards of 43,000 pills. These pills are killing people, Your Honor. 30,000.
And Mr. Coltrane?
If I could have a moment, Your Honor. My apologies, Your Honor. Given the probation hold here, and I don't have any information as to the nature of that hold or anything on that. Pretrial services did not include that hold on their workup in Oscar's case here. So given that, I would ask for a nominal bond. I understand, the danger that these pills present as alleged by the state. It's very clear from the complaints that Mr. Angulo Hecari here is not engaged in the sale, the use, or anything beyond literally having these drugs allegedly in his possession. It's very clear, too, that he is someone who is employed here in town. He's got a home to return to. He's got a family here in town. And so I suspect that he will be quite motivated to get this probation hold cleared up and return to his family. So given the circumstances here and his cooperation with law enforcement, the lack of any priors related to anything to drugs or sale or anything of that note, I would ask, Your Honor, that you hold him on a nominal bond given the probation hold that he currently faces. Thank you.
Just one moment. I'm just going to look at something on the pretrial services workup, and then I'll make a ruling. Okay. At this time, the court is going to institute bond in the amount of $20,000 cash or secured with release to pretrial services if bond is posted. It's a staggering amount of pills. I know the circumstances if you're unclear, but that's at least $200,000 in product. It's just the court, there's a danger to the community. So conditions of release are no alcohol or illegal drugs. Monitoring or treatment is directed by pretrial services. Additionally, the defendant shall contact his probation officer on the first business day following release as an additional condition of release. Counsel is appointed the Pima County Public Defender's Office. Preliminary hearing, February 3rd, 2025, 1:30 p.m. at the Justice Court. And And that should cover it for now. Sir, any questions before we conclude?
At this point, Your Honor, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Then, sir, you are excused. I think I did.